Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best folding picnic tables that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have Office Star Folding Bench and Table Set. This set comes with 3 pieces of benches and a table set. This complete set also makes storage and portability hassle-free. The plastic material construction makes storage and portability easier. Moreover, this folding table is suitable for various outdoor activities. Nevertheless, the tabletop holds 350 pounds of weight. The hardy steel tubing ensures the rigidity of this table set. The blow-mold gray resin top also offers resistance against scratches. Furthermore, the rubber-capped feet keep the table and benches wobble-free. The folding benches withstand up to 200 pounds of weight. The folding picnic table is resistant to moisture, stains, and impacts. However, the furniture set never requires tools for assembling. Moving on at number 4, we have Lifetime Folding Picnic Table. The ergonomic design makes this folding picnic table unthinkably practical. The thick polyethylene tabletop also offers resistance against moisture and stains. Moreover, the tubular steel structure ensures the stability of this furniture set. The rectangular-shaped tabletop offers enough serving space for multiple persons. Nevertheless, the benches accommodate up to 900 lbs of weight. The weatherproof finish makes this furniture set suitable for outdoor places. Furthermore, this picnic table includes an umbrella hole and a cap. The steel frame does not usually chip, crack, rust, or peel. However, you can keep the tabletop clean by using a wiping cloth. The folding structure helps you to carry this set stress-freely. At number 3, we have FourUp Folding Utility Table. The HDPE tabletop ensures the durability of this folding picnic table. The folding legs also make storage easier for homemakers. Moreover, the carrying handle helps you to transport this table with ease. The rubber caps prevent this table from shaking on uneven terrains. However, the gravity lock mechanism assures safe folding and unfolding. The honeycomb backside also assures the structure of the tabletop. Hence, this tabletop withstands up to 330 lbs of weight. Furthermore, the protective caps on the legs keep your floor undamaged. The inbuilt carrying handle lets you carry this table without any hassle. Nevertheless, the stain-resistant finish makes cleaning easier for people. At number 2, we have Trademark Innovations Folding Picnic Table. The combination of table and seats make traveling convenient for people. However, the attached table and chairs make folding or unfolding lesser time-consuming. Moreover, the aluminum frame ensures the structural stability of this folding picnic table. The sturdy seats individually hold up to 352 lbs of weight. Nevertheless, the table effortlessly withstands up to 66 lbs of pressure. The folding mechanism also makes this table very functional. Furthermore, the tabletop and seats have the construction of hardened plastic. The complete set folds into a compact folding case. Therefore, the inbuilt carry handle makes traveling easier for travelers. However, the plastic textured top surface provides hassle-free cleaning. And finally at number 1. Portal Folding Picnic Camping Table. The complication-free structure makes this folding picnic table suitable for all. The aluminum construction also makes this table long-lasting. Moreover, the assembly of this table takes only a minute. The compact table comes with detachable metal slats. You can assemble the slats to get the tabletop with ease. You can also put all parts of this table into a compact carrying bag. Furthermore, the skid-resistant feet make the assembly safe and stable. You can use this table for several outdoor adventures, like camping. The carrying bag has a mesh bottom layer. Hence, this bag accommodates a few extra accessories.